Hello, my name is Greg Whitt. I work for MORryde, and today I'm going to show you how to add a connected torque tool into a Pico process. First thing I do is I've got my process and my step I want to add it into. This particular wrench is a Wi-Fi connected manual wrench, and so it goes under measure tool, and I'm going to measure the torque for the spindle nut. And then I'm going to go ahead and select my connected device that I've already integrated previously. And then all I would have to do would be to save that in this particular step. I could add more steps and more actions and then run that through the change control feature of Pico. With the connected tooling that we already have, we're able to utilize several different manufacturers of torque tools. And if we weren't utilizing Pico, we would have some specific software per manufacturer of our torque tool that we'd have to try and figure out some way to pull some backwards traceability off of each one of those. But with the abilities Pico's given us, we're all in one software system here, and it's as simple as that to add a connected torque tool into the step of a Pico process.